चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Welcome viewers. The countdown has of course begun for the swearing-in ceremony that will be taking place at 7:15 p.m. In fact, in the run-up to the swearing-in ceremony, the Prime Minister will be visiting Rajghat and will be paying homage to Mahatma Gandhi. Here's a lowdown of what to expect all through the day.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा।
In a few hours, similar scenes will unfold at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Narendra Modi will take office as Prime Minister for a historic third term. PM Modi has been met a robust plan before the auspicious day. Ahead of the grand swearing-in ceremony, President Murmu summoned Narendra Modi and appointed him as the PM designate. PM Modi also met BJP's veteran leaders LK Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi for their blessings. PM in his speech in Central Hall during the NDA meeting thanked the nation for the historic mandate. The allies of the National Democratic Alliance such as Shiv Sena, NCP, TDP, LJP, JDU, Janasena have extended their support to the BJP under the leadership of Narendra Modi.
देखिए, कल यकीनन एक ऐतिहासिक दिन था और आने वाला कल भी इतिहास में दर्ज किया जाएगा। ये कोई सामान्य परिस्थिति नहीं है, सामान्य बात नहीं है कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री पद की शपथ वो लेने जा रहे हैं। ऐसे में और हम सबका लक्ष्य भी यही था, इसी उद्देश्य के साथ हम लोग आगे बढ़ भी रहे थे कि वो तीसरी बार देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने। तो ऐसे में जब इतिहास दर्ज किया जा रहा है, ये हम सब के लिए हर्ष की बात है।
हमारा जनरेशन कभी हमने ये नहीं देखा कि देश का कोई प्रधानमंत्री तीसरा बार प्रधानमंत्री बने। भारतवर्ष का इतिहास में ये एक स्वर्णिम क्षण है। मैं आशा करता हूँ, प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि भगवान नरेंद्र मोदी जी को शक्ति दे।
Speaking of the international attendees, heads of states from neighboring countries including Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe, Maldivian President Mohammad Muizzu, Bangladeshi PM Sheikh Hasina, Bhutanese PM Shering Togbeh will mark their presence at Rashtrapati Bhavan. In 2014, BJP-led National Democratic Alliance secured a stable mandate, but TDP walked out of the alliance in 2018 with a no confidence motion against the government, but the NDA survived. In 2019, BJP returned to power with a brute majority of 303 seats, making NDA's total seat share of 353. Now India is back to coalition era and TDP and JDU have emerged as kingmakers. Will Modi-led NDA government complete its term? That still remains to be seen on how things pan out in coming months and years. Witness the historic swearing-in ceremony with Arnab Goswami only on Republic TV.